We revealed last week what the CIM is, the Cruel Impossible Marathon. Not to be confused, by the way, with the Cruel Impossible Marriage. We want things, physical and spiritual, see those things as relating to our happiness. That's fine. But the problem is when we get those things, we stop losing interest in them, we stop being satisfied with them, we stop being happy with them. So to speak, we're pushing the finishing line of happiness another 5 miles on. And then we get those things another 5 miles on. That is impossible. We have to get out of that cycle. How do we do that? 2 words. To be misameach b'chalko, to be sameach b'chalko, to be happy with our lot. What the mission tells us, Ezu Asher, asameach b'chalko. You're saying to yourself, I've heard that before. You're right. But let's talk about how we do it. Step 1, we have to not think about everything altogether. Start thinking about one aspect of your life. How about your hand? The ability to daven. How about this one? A sense of balance. Can you imagine what life would be like if you didn't have balance? I read a story one time about a woman, a fine woman, an intelligent woman, who lost her sense of balance. She always felt she was falling. Could you imagine what it's like? If you're listening to this, you have a sense of balance. How much is that? What is that? Now you think to yourself, how much, take that one thing, that one item, think to yourself, how much would my life be lacking without that thing? Take a few quiet moments, and think about that and focus on it. And hopefully you can get to a wow moment and say, but I have that thing, and it's so amazing, and it's so wonderful. By doing that, we start to undo the inevitable and obvious movement of just taking everything for granted. And by doing that, we start to get out of the CIM. It sounds simple, but it's a lot of work. More next week.